Happy New Year, everyone! Today is... what day is today? January 2. Right? Yeah. January 2, and we're gonna do the refrigerator tour later because we're going to Asian store to buy or to look for my hair conditioner, because I'm struggling now. I'm struggling without my cream silk. All right, yeah, I'll see you later. Nasa labas ako, guys. I smell good. Oh my god. Look at the sunset. Super cool, guys. Color na lang for ganito. That's lemon. Cornic fried corn. It is $4.49, and then the ding dong $1.39. Ding dong. Guys, mahal naman masyado. $7.99 yung stick-o nila. They have Skyflex. I'm looking for corned beef from it. They have $6.99 Argentina. This meatloaf. I don't like meatloaf.
That's basically what we were having before.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Yeah, so palm's even more expensive.
Have Lego. Ito puti.
Puti. I said it that way on purpose, Anne. Get you to laugh. That's all that matters.
No, you said that before.
I was waiting for you to laugh all the time. I was expressing for fun.
Yeah. Still love it. I'm looking for the banana flour, but they don't have it here. Ladies' choice, my god, $8. They have sweet corn for $1.19. Then guys, more shrimp. Oh, blue band. I don't know this one. They have this one, alamang, and they have spaghetti, ginisang bagoong. Well, I like it. I like that. What is this?
Oh, bananas.
Banana cake.
Oh yeah, sweet potatoes. Empanada.
What is this? Leche flan. Bunch fun. Bunch tea, man. My god, this is $12. This is, I don't know. Guys, we didn't find cream silk here. And yeah, cream silk conditioner, because normally they have like a variety of cream silk, but they're out of.
Head west toward North Josie Lane.
So we're heading to Jollibee. Welcome back. So guys, we didn't get green cream silk. well, actually we supposed to go to Kabayan store, where it's like just 15 minutes drive, I believe, in Louisville, but it's closed. It was closed when we found it, so we decided to go headed in the Carlton Plaza, because last time they sell variety of cream silk, like green, no, not green, that was pink and blue, but they didn't sell there. Now today there are nothing. We found out, I mean, we bought some vegetables we grabbed some vegetables, clearance vegetables, like just $1 for a bunch of it. First we got this one, Thai tea. I forgot the price, but it would be around $2, and Tim bought 2 of it, this one. So we tried this, and this is really good actually, guys. We got this one, bubble milk tea. I'll focus with this one. I don't know, but Tim grabbed this one. He likes milk tea now. Sweet corn. We got this one, ramen. We didn't buy a lot of it because that store is a bit higher, so we just grabbed 2. This one, we like it so much. It's $1.65. I guess this is good for frying. Kai yu choy kai ngot. We got sweet potato for $2.28. Cucumber. And last but not the least, the expensive one, oh my gosh, Argentina corned beef. This video is not sponsored. These products are not sponsored either. Yeah, I've been wanting this since last year. Corned beef, and yeah, this is how much? $6.99, and it's how much is that in Philippine peso? So let's round off $7. So it is 350 for 340 grams here. And now let's go sa tour, refrigerator tour na I mentioned earlier, like 2 hours ago, I think. Yeah, 3 hours ago actually. So we're going to refrigerator tour, and yeah, I don't know how to start. So so this fridge is not ours, and this is included in the apartment, guys, and this one is ours. Yeah, so basically we write down here whatever things we have to buy or need for our fridge, and towel, yeah. So let's start here. This our butter, and I'm gonna here strawberry jam. This is apricot. This is shrimp paste, alamang. Well, I like it. Mayonnaise, cherry, mga ano mga chichi boricho. This is our barbecue sauce. As you remember before, last time I had it, it's almost gone. I should get some. Well, that one. Here we have cheese. Actually, guys, we collect some sauce if we ever go eat it out. eat out. We collect that, and we have here our butter. And this one there is, I don't know, bouillon. This is my favorite snack, especially this is pickles, little pickles. We got, I forgot about this is, I think, peach, and cheese, raisins here, and the two tea. Tim likes tea, and we have half and half Moscato, and the other one there is for wine. Water, obviously that's water. We had 2 containers of eggs. Chicken from last, this chicken rotisserie, I cannot say it, gosh, rotisserie chicken, or it's like lechon chicken in the Philippines. This is ham and soup. Yeah, yogurt, as you can see, from Walmart, great Walmart. Raspberries for salad, rice. We got here, that one here is tomato, grape tomato. We got, what is this here? A sausage, I don't know. You see blood or dried fish. I don't like this one actually. It's so strong, super strong. Soft drinks, and actually we don't we actually rarely buy soft drinks, guys, so only this time, because they sell for 10 bucks, all of it, 10 bucks in Sam's. Yeah, and we got that one there, protein. There's a banana out there, and and chocolate, and right here we have the fruits, banana, orange, cantaloupe, and avocado. We have your carrots, sweet pepper, radish. That's all I have here, guys. Now, moving on our here, it's kind of messy, but I don't care. Here we have hot dog, and we have butter for jackfruit, got ginger, pineapple, I got a measure one here, hash brown, we have pizza, we have a chicken there, guys, and steak, and we have this Shanghai, and banana. This is pork. Yeah, that's ground beef. Na-divide ko na siya, guys. This divided yesterday. And some ice. We have bacon and pork. Yeah, this is my wrapper there. And ice. So actually, yeah. So I don't know if it's a right refrigerator tour. I'm just discussing or showing you the my fridge, but yeah, I've been wanting to do the fridge or refrigerator tour, but I didn't have time. Last time, you know, and yeah, sooner or later I'm gonna do I'm gonna do a apartment tour. Yeah, but I don't know how long I'm going to upload this refrigerator tour or no. But anyway, thank you for watching, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next one.